Snowy Day Helpers. In South Korea, there was a little boy named Min. Min lived with his parents in a cozy house. One winter day, the snow fell heavily. It covered everything in a soft white blanket. Min's parents needed help clearing the snow from the driveway. They had to go to work, but the snow made it hard for them to leave. Min wanted to help. He put on his warm clothes and grabbed a shovel. Together with his parents, Min worked hard to clear the snow. They shoveled and pushed until the driveway was clear. Min's parents were proud of him. They thanked him for being such a good helper. From that day on, Min knew that helping his parents made them happy. He promised to always lend a hand when they needed it. And so, Min learned that even a little boy can be a big help to his family.